In order to fix frozen or unresponsive screen on Samsung Galaxy S25, you can simply press and hold the power button and volume down button for several seconds until the screen turns off. So let's perform this. Press and hold both buttons and keep holding until the screen is off. You might actually hold it just a little bit longer even if the screen is off, just in case. But you should be able to release the button and the device should turn itself back on after a few seconds. And in case it doesn't work, you want to press and hold the power button until you see the Samsung logo, which might take you even 10 seconds or so. So let's keep holding. In case it doesn't work, you can release the button and then press it again. And if that doesn't help as well, you can just simply patiently wait for the Samsung logo to appear. Eventually it should. For some reason, sometimes it takes even a minute for the device to turn on after the force restart. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!